What's up? Welcome back to Pickle Fab, the only channel that I show my pickle on. I've officially lost it, but if you want to see some mini trucking content, suburban content, stay tuned, because we're going to put this thing on the ground, pickle style. Let's get at it. Man, this thing's hot as fuck. What's up, guys? So I just looked back at the video that I filmed explaining the Suburban. Apparently the audio didn't work at all. So I will explain again what we're doing to this thing. I did get it all leveled up on jack stands. What I wanted to do is pull the body off of the frame, put the frame on the frame table, and just basically do everything there. But considering I don't have a lift, we're just gonna do it the old school way. We're gonna cut a hole in the floor and do it that way. Now what my plan is, I'm gonna get the wheel wells, get the floor out, and I'm gonna take a picture of the frame and we're gonna upload it to Fusion 360 and we're gonna build a notch off of it that way. Because I don't want to just get a universal notch that I have to box the other side of the frame in. The way I'm going to do it is I'm going to run it I'm going to run it with the frame rails like 6 to 8 inches on both sides, and that should strengthen it a little more. And that way on the back side I can run it down the inside and it would be boxed in a little bit instead of having to weld extra pieces on. And since I got the plasma table up and running now, we can do that. Let me explain to you what we're gonna do. We are gonna get that wheel well cut out. We're gonna get that wheel well cut out and we're gonna cut it in this section and save this piece because we're gonna raise it up so that way we can use it later, because we're gonna try to run the third row seat over the notch. And it's only gonna be for little people. Just kidding. But it is gonna be minimal headroom, so we'll see what happens with that. So like I said, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start like right here. We're gonna build the notch up.